Hi guys, this is just a very quick unboxing video. I'm not going to be in this one really, but these have just kind of turned up within the last couple of days. I wanted to kind of put something on because they're probably like the most bizarre shoes and coolest shoes, biggest shoes I've ever kind of owned. So they are the Jordan ProtoMax 720. Like you see, you've got the Jordan Jumpman QR code there. Open. And look at them. There are some interesting design elements. Choice obviously got different laces in there as well. You've got like the whole inner sock design. There's a mesh outer as well. Velcro on the back with the Jumpman brand on the back as well. There you've got the air bubble, the support all the way around. Lace ups all the way around the ankle, so you can keep it as you can lace it how you want. You've got some different style of laces on there, some patterns. Push stud fastening on the tongue as well, which kind of pulls apart. I'm guessing just for different comforts. On there as well, you can see slightly different kind of styling on the Velcro there, the 00023, but otherwise the same bubbles, the same laces. Really good looking pair of shoes. If I'm not mistaken, there's normally there we go. Sneaker stuff. Tag for my shoes, tag for my key ring, whatever I want to put it on. Just to finish, you get the whole inspired by greatness design for flight. Can't wait to try these on. If they're anything like the other Jordans I've got, they're going to be really snug but really comfortable. But I'll put some pictures on the Instagram page, just a sneak peek, and yeah, thanks very much. Bye.